In this question, you have to identify the three regions in DNA which is present in a transcription unit with respect to upstream and downstream. Option A, inducer repressor structural gene. Now it is incorrect because the inducer and repressor are involved in gene regulation but are not a part of the transcription unit. Option B, promoter structural gene and terminator. Now, a transcription unit in DNA consists of three main regions: promoter, which is present upstream, and this is the site where RNA polymerase binds to initiate transcription. Then, structural gene. This is the region that codes for a protein or RNA. And finally, terminator, which is present downstream. And this sequence signals the end of transcription. Hence, this is the correct option. Option C, repressor, operator gene, structural gene. It is also incorrect because the repressor and the operator gene, as already mentioned, plays a role in gene regulation, particularly in the operons. Option D, structural gene, transposons, operator gene. It is also incorrect because the transposons are mobile genetic elements and are not a part of the transcription unit. And operator gene, as already mentioned, it plays a role in gene regulation.